You have most likely heard of the amazing health benefits that the meat of an avocado can provide. But did you know avocado leaves can provide incredible health benefits as well? Consuming them at home is very easy and can simply be made into a tea. First, wash 3 to 5 avocado leaves and add them to 1 to 2 cups of boiling water. Let the leaves simmer for about 10 minutes and then strain into a cup. Add a teaspoon of raw honey and let cool to your desired temperature. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of drinking the liquid from boiled avocado leaves. First, avocado leaves are packed with antioxidant compounds that can promote our health a number of different ways. In fact, the leaves contain more antioxidants than the fruit. Avocado leaves contain flavonoid antioxidants and a unique antioxidant compound known as quercetin. These antioxidants can eliminate free radicals, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. Avocado leaves are also loaded with polyphenol antioxidants. Avocado leaves are also very helpful for improving overall digestive health. This is attributed to their unique and potent compounds that are especially helpful for our digestive system. Avocado leaves contain tannins and saponin compounds, which can help to balance the acidity in our stomach. Avocado leaves can also promote regularity, increase nutrient uptake, and reduce stomach pain. Avocado leaves are also very heart healthy and can reduce certain risk factors that are associated with heart disease. It has been shown that avocado leaves and avocado leaf tea can help to lower blood pressure and relax the blood vessels, promoting the health of our arteries and blood vessels in the process. The many antioxidants and nutrients in avocado leaves can also help to reduce inflammation, free radicals, and oxidative stress that could lead to heart disease over time. Lastly, boiling avocado leaves and drinking the liquid can help to treat and prevent kidney stones. This is often attributed to avocado leaves containing saponins, alkaloids, and flavonoids. These substances and compounds can help to break down kidney stones and may even help eliminate kidney stones when consumed regularly. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.